Anyone else a denim lover through and through like me? Well, if you are, you have landed in the right spot, because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 8 of the most common denim mistakes I see women over 40 making. And if you just tweak these little things, because of course, along with the 8 denim mistakes, I'm also going to be sharing the way you should be wearing your jeans over 40. These will make the biggest difference. You will end up looking stylish, classy, and elegant in your denim, guaranteed, if you watch this video. Now make sure you listen to the end, because the last denim mistake is actually one I see women making a ton, and I will also be sharing the #1 denim trend this fall and winter, and it's one that I literally just recently tried, and I can't believe I've waited this long to try this denim trend, because I will definitely be wearing this denim trend so much more now that I have tried it. I cannot believe I waited so long to try it. I'm also going to be sharing the #1 lesson I have learned in dating. I've been dating over 50 for like the last 2 years. So if you're interested in my dating life, definitely stick around for that. Also, let me know if you like this way of recording better. I'm actually sitting on top of my desk instead of at my chair, so you can kind of see a little bit more of my office. I also have the camera zoomed out a little bit. So definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know if you think this is a better space to record in than my previous videos. Okay, the #1 mistake I see women doing when wearing their denim is buying their jeans too big. You never want to do this, because here's the deal. 99.9% of denim stretches. So if you buy your jeans too big, even a little bit too big, they're always going to end up stretching out, and then they're going to end up looking way too big, and you're going to be kicking yourself because you shouldn't have bought them too big. When in doubt, always buy your jeans a little bit more on the snugger side, okay? Obviously, jeans with spandex stretch out, even rigid denim stretches out. So when in doubt, buy the jeans a little bit on the tighter side. Trust me, you'll be happy you did later on. So these are some of my favorite pairs of denim. These are the 90s pinch waist crop, and I really love these for spring and summertime because they are that ankle length. So you can wear them with your favorite summer slides, your favorite sandals, your favorite heels. They even look fabulous with sneakers because they do have that ankle length. They are high-waisted. They do have a little bit of stretch in them. I always wear a size 24 in most jeans, and as always, everything I'm talking about will be linked down below in my description box, along with sizing information just for reference. But these jeans are comfortable. They also look very stylish, and I really love this light wash. This is just like a very casual look. It's a gray baby tee. This baby tee is from Revolve, under $100. It comes in black too, which I have as well because it's such a great basic tee. I added a chain necklace to kind of dress it up a little bit. I went with a nude kitten heel. This would be a great look for running errands. You could even wear it on like a casual lunch with a girlfriend, or even a night out if you just want to be super casual and fun this summertime. Denim mistake #2 is wearing jeans that are really low-waisted. Now, I know I might get some pushback from this, because #1, they've been saying that low-rise denim is coming back in style and it's going to be a huge trend. And although they try to say that, I still don't see it actually happening, because I live in Dallas, Texas, which is one of the most stylish cities in the country, and I have yet to see a woman out and about wearing low-rise jeans. So I just don't think it's caught on, and I'm actually pretty glad about it, because I honestly don't think low-rise denim is very flattering, okay? Why? Because it makes your legs look shorter. I will put a picture of me in low-rise jeans versus high-rise denim next to each other, so you can see for yourself that obviously high-waisted jeans makes you look longer and leaner and thinner and taller, because the waist sits up higher. Now, I get it. Not everybody is built like me, but honestly, no matter what your body type, even a mid-rise jean is better than a low-rise jean. So if you don't like high-rise, that's okay. Stick to a mid-rise, but definitely stay away from low-rise jeans. Trust me, ladies, you'll be glad you did. So these are some high-waisted jeans. I love these jeans. These are the sweatpant jean. These are by Rag & Bone. So incredibly comfortable. They have pockets in the front. The back pockets are actually faux pockets, and this is a brand new wash they have just come out with. It is called Kimber Was. But these are sweatpant jeans, y'all. They look like jeans, but they're actually sweatpants, and I can't even believe it. Like, literally so incredibly comfortable, but they really look like real denim, which is why I love them so much. And I paired them with this black backless top. This is such a great going out top, whether you're going on a girl's night out or a date night. It's very tastefully sexy. From the front, it's just got a beautiful neckline. It kind of shows your shoulders, and then you turn around and it's backless. So incredibly chic. I loved it with these jeans. They do have belt loops, which I love. So I did this great, really sort of chic and elegant black skinny belt with a subtle gold buckle, and then some leopard mesh mules. I love these because they're a low kitten heel, so very wearable and very comfortable. Denim mistake number 3 is choosing outdated denim washes or choosing jeans that have too many rips in them, because newsflash, overly ripped jeans are completely out of style. Nobody is wearing those anymore. And I do think like overly ripped denim looks a little trashy. It looks like you're trying to be too young. Now, don't get me wrong. I love ripped jeans. I used to wear ripped jeans a ton, but right now, currently, they're out of style. Are they going to come back in style? I think they are, absolutely. But when I start wearing ripped jeans again, because I'm sure that I will, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you loved ripped jeans as much as I do. I won't be wearing like the overly ripped denim. I will be wearing subtly ripped jeans because I still think that can be classy and fabulous too. Also, colorful jeans are completely out of style, so that's another denim mistake. If you're wearing the bright pink, the bright orange, the blue, the yellow, whatever it is, colored jeans out of style unless they're black, so definitely don't wear those either. However, white jeans, those are in style, and these are my absolute favorite pair of white jeans. These are by Good American. They're a high-waisted, straight-leg silhouette. So incredibly soft. They have just the right amount of stretch in them, so they're comfortable, but they do hold their shape really well. The back pockets are perfectly placed, so they give your bum a little bit of a lift, and I just absolutely love these jeans. They're very comfortable and very stylish. I paired it with this fabulous black eyelet jacket. This jacket, as you can see, we've styled it 4 different ways in my new group called Chic in the Golden Ages. One of the influencers is in her 70s, and then Kathy's in her 60s. I'm in my 50s, and Sam is in her 40s, and we've all styled this fabulous black eyelet jacket for summer 4 different ways, proving its versatility and wearability. Denim mistake number 4 is ignoring the hemline. I see this all the time as well. Either women wear them too short and the hemline hits right at the mid-calf. This is a big no-no because it's going to make your calves look bigger and your legs just look completely out of proportion. So don't wear your jeans too cropped. And don't wear your jeans too long because they're going to puddle on the floor if they're too long. Definitely either roll them up or take them to the tailor and have them cut off. That's what I do with probably, I don't know, 30 to 40% of my jeans. I take them to the tailor. I either have them hemmed right at the ankle bone. That's like the sweet spot, give or take an inch above or below of where you want to wear your ankle length jeans, because this will really elongate your legs. So this is the outfit I'm wearing right now. These are some brand new girlfriend denim jeans I just got in, and when I got them, they were too long for me. They puddled at the ground, they looked sloppy, they looked frumpy, so I took them to my tailor and I had them cut off right at my ankle bone. I had her leave the raw edge hem because I kind of love the raw edge hem on denim. I think it's a little edgy, which matches my personal style perfectly. I paired them with this fabulous bustier top. This is from Reformation. It actually looks like I'm wearing 2 tops, but it's 1 top. You could easily top this off with a fabulous black blazer or black leather jacket. But if it's 100 degrees in summer where you live, like it is where I live in Dallas, you can just wear it alone, wear it on a date night or a girl's night out. I'm actually meeting some girlfriends tonight for wine and dinner, and I think this will be my exact outfit. Denim mistake number 5 is wearing the wrong shoes. Now, I see women doing this quite a bit as well. If you're gonna wear some longer jeans, like a wide leg denim silhouette or a flare jean, those are supposed to hit like 1/8 of an inch off of the floor. You've got to make sure that your heels are high enough to make the jeans not puddle on the ground, because this is a definite denim mistake. You've got to wear the right shoes. Also, don't wear like clunky black shoes or big chunky sneakers with wide leg jeans. I know some people do that, and I might get some pushback for saying please don't wear sneakers with wide leg jeans, but I personally think that looks a little sloppy. I think it looks a little frumpy. I don't know, is it just me? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. But I will wear sneakers with ankle length jeans, with straight leg jeans, but I definitely will not wear them with wide leg jeans because of the puddling and just the bunchingness that can go on when you wear those with the wide leg jeans. I actually did an entire video on which shoes to wear with which style of jeans. I will be sure and link that one down below as well because it's a definite must watch. So I wanted to show y'all another way to style those fabulous rag & bone sweatpant jeans. I styled them with this white cropped tee. This is a great cropped tee. It's actually not your average tee. It's very unique. It's very elevated because it actually has shoulder pads. It's also ruched around the waist area. It's slightly cropped, so it looks really fabulous with high-waisted jeans like these by Rag & Bone. I love a simple white tee and denim. You can't go wrong. It's one no-fail outfit formula that literally works every single time. So if you ever wake up in the morning and you're like, oh, I don't know what to wear today, just put on a white tee and some jeans and you're good to go. Add a statement necklace and a red lip and you can elevate the look even more and feel and look fabulous. Denim mistake number 6 is sticking to one style only and getting into a style rut. So maybe you only wear straight leg jeans, or maybe you only wear the modern skinny jean, or maybe you only wear, the wide leg jean. Try to mix it up a little bit. Try to wear 2 to 3 different styles of denim when you wear your jeans because you'll keep your look appearing fresh, modern, elegant, and classy. So for me, I was typically wearing a lot of straight leg denim, so I decided to step out of my denim comfort zone and try the barrel jean, and I was pleasantly surprised. I love the barrel jean as long as it's the subtle barrel jean for me because I'm petite, I'm only 5'4". When I would wear like the bigger barrel jeans, it looked out of proportion with my body. So these black Madewell barrel jeans are a subtle barrel denim silhouette, which I personally love. They're high-waisted. I really love this edgy faded black wash, and I paired them with this amazing black button down. It's actually backless and it ties in the back, so such a unique and fashion-forward button down. It's by Simone Miller, one of my favorite designers. I left the top few buttons unbuttoned. I rolled up the sleeves for the perfect laid-back look. Another pair of barrel jeans that I'm really loving right now are these by Pistola. These are high-waisted, and again, they're also a subtle barrel denim silhouette, so extremely flattering. They have the perfect ankle length, and I didn't even have to get them hemmed, which I love. I paired them with this black bustier top. It's basically the opposite of this top. The black one is by Super Down, so it's under $100. Such a great price point. This would be another fabulous look for a girls' night out or a date night. And then can we talk about how amazing these chute strappy heels look with these Pistola barrel jeans? These are actually from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and they are still in stock. They remind me of some Saint Laurent heels, but they're a fraction of the price. The heel height is a little over 3 inches, so they're actually pretty wearable and fairly comfortable for a heel. You can either wear the bustier top alone, or you can top it off with this fabulous leather bomber jacket. This one is by Girlfriend Denim, one of my favorite designers on the Revolve website. This black bomber jacket, so on trend. Bomber jackets are going to be a huge fall trend this fall and winter. Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you would like me to do a fall trend video, because I was thinking about doing that. And if there's anything else you would like me to do a video on, please let me know, because I am here to serve you. And if you haven't already and you're enjoying this video, please hit the little subscribe button. I do publish 2 brand new videos every single week. Denim mistake number 7 is not knowing which jeans look best on your body type. Now, I have also done a full video on this, deciding which jeans look best on your body type. Do you want to accentuate your waist? Do you need to know where your waistline is? Wherever the skinniest part of your waistline is, that is where you want your jeans, the rise, to hit, because that will accentuate the skinniest or the thinnest part of your waistline. If you don't have a waistline, that's okay. You can create one by tucking in your shirt, adding a belt, even doing the half tuck will create the illusion of having a waist. So if you don't know what style looks best on you, go to the store, take your best friend with you, try on a couple different styles and get her opinion, look in the mirror, get the salesperson's opinion, and just kind of see which one looks best on you. And then once you figure that out, really hone in on that style of denim and wear that one most often. For me, these are my absolute favorite pairs of jeans, and I know they look the best on me. The reason I know they look the best on me is because this is the one pair of jeans that I can wear. And when I'm out in public, I get stopped at least one time every single time I wear these jeans, and I wear these jeans a lot, by someone saying, oh my gosh, I love those jeans. What brand are they? Where did you get them? So I know these look good on me for that reason, and I just feel good in them. They're basically a super high-waisted jean. They hit me at the thinnest part of my waist. That is key. And they're a slim, straight leg denim silhouette, nothing fancy, pretty simple denim. They hit right below my ankle bone. Love this length. They're literally the perfect jean made for my body type, and I love them so much. I paired them with this fabulous tan and white cropped blazer. This would be a great blazer to wear to the office. You can also wear it out at night as well. It's a good blazer for spring and summer too, because it's this beautiful blend of ivory and beige, and it's this pinstripe pattern, so very elegant and classy. Now, denim mistake number 8, and this is one I see most often, and this is the #1 denim trend that we're going to be seeing this fall and winter, and it is the wide leg jeans. That denim trend has been reigning supreme for a very long time, and it is still going to be at the top of the list this fall. So you've got to know how to wear your wide leg jeans. And the #1 mistake I see is women don't style them the right way. They either wear them with sneakers, they wear them with like an oversized sweatshirt or a baggy top or a big oversized jacket. This is a big no-no. Why? Because you're not creating balance in your look. The key when styling wide leg jeans is make sure you're creating balance. Because the wide leg jeans are bigger on the bottom, you want to make sure that whatever you're pairing them with on top is fitted, whether that's a fitted top, a fitted jacket, a fitted blazer, a fitted sweatshirt, whatever it is, make sure it's fitted, because this will create balance in your look. And that's exactly what I did here. So this is the Rag & Bone sweatpant jeans, styled a third way in this video, proving their versatility and wearability. I literally can't get over these sweatpant jeans. This is the one trend that I hadn't tried until the other day, and I was blown away because they're so incredibly comfortable. At first I was like, this is kind of a cheesy denim trend, like the sweatpant jean trend, but when I put them on and I actually saw them up close, they look like real denim. You would absolutely never know, but the key is you must get this same exact wash. This one is fully stocked, and it's called the Kimber Was wash. It's phenomenal. And as you'll see, I paired them with a fitted camel tank top. This is an old tank top by Alice and Olivia, but I will link a similar one down below in my description box. But because this easy camel tank is fitted, it creates balance in my look. I still look tall, I still look slim, even though I have on a pair of wide leg jeans. So really love the way this casual look turned out. You could also wear this to lunch, brunch, dinner, what have you, because it's so extremely versatile. Now leave me a comment down below, let me know what your favorite look was and which denim mistake you have actually made and won't make anymore since you watched this video, because I always love hearing from y'all. Okay, here's the #1 lesson I've learned since I've been dating for the last 2 years, and it is this: watch a man's behavior, do not listen to his words, because the way a man behaves, aka the way he treats you, will tell you everything. There will be no confusion if you look at his behavior. Now, in the beginning when I was dating, there was a guy that was telling me with his words, oh my gosh, I like you so much, you're so beautiful, you're so this, you're so that, you're such a unicorn, I really like you. But then his behavior, he wasn't planning dates. He was in the very beginning, but he stopped planning dates. His communication was very hot and cold. So I was confused until I heard this one thing. Don't listen to a man's words, watch his behavior, because the way he behaves will tell you everything, and it will tell you how he feels about you. So there's no confusion to be had if you look at a man's behavior and not his words. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you can relate. So from now on, that's what I'm going to be looking for when I'm dating, is how a man behaves with me, how he treats me, because that will tell me everything. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. For more style information, you can head over to sewheather.com, and on Instagram, I am sewheatherblog. And in case no one has told you yet today, you are beautiful and amazing, and I love you just the way you are. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.